everyone, welcome back to my channel, the ultimate place for you to live, look and feel your absolute best. And today's video is all about my weekly, monthly, fortnightly skin treatment, hair treatment, body polishing, body treatments, all of the ultimate pampering sessions that I do. And you can too start doing those now that most of us have got more time, and we can start investing that time to make a relaxing self-care me time session at the comfort of your own home. So before we dive into the video, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you do not miss out on any future videos. So without further delay, let's get started. I have divided this video into 3 different parts. Number 1 will be my monthly treatments, number 2 will be fortnightly treatment, and number 3 will be my weekly treatments. So starting with the monthly treatments, recently I have started using laser hair removal system at home, and this is the one by Braun. So before the laser you have to shave all the hair from the body, and for that I use a couple of different hair removal systems. You could even use razor if you want. Because I have been using this from the last few months, my hair growth has drastically reduced, and I only need to do it every couple of months now. So once I finish that, I follow it with an aloe vera gel, which is soothing and cooling, and it helps with any bumps or any redness that I get. And moving on to the fortnightly treatment, I have 2 in this category. One is facial hair removal, which is also called dermaplaning. It takes away the peach fuzz, which helps your skin products absorb better, and also your makeup application is much more smoother. I use Veet electric razor for my eyebrows and the flawless finishing for my upper lips, so that when I use the laser, my skin is very smooth to begin with. And the second treatment will be microdermabrasion. So microdermabrasion is basically taking off all the dead skin from your face, and it just helps your skin look much more cleaner and helps maintain the skin health. And to the last part, which is weekly treatments. I have 2 treatments which I do every week. One will be derma rolling, which is skin needling, and I use a derma roller for that. So these needles, they are not at all painful. They are very tiny, and you just roll them on your skin. It helps in collagen production and boosts your skin elasticity and helps with aging. So following this treatment, I apply niacinamide, which is a healing ingredient, and it helps your skin repair after any treatments that you have done. And I apply an ice roller soon after, so that again it soothes and calms your skin down. And as we all know, ice is really good for our skin. It just quickly takes away any redness, any inflammation. So the second and the last weekly treatment that I do is a full body treatment, which is like a head to toe treatment. Starting with my hair, I would first use a wooden comb to boost circulation, and then apply a hair scrub, hair oil, anything that I want. Recently I've started using a hair scrub, which I make by mixing lemon, olive oil and sea salt. Just massage it very well on my scalp and put on a shower cap, and then I would soak my feet in a foot spa with some magnesium salts, which help relax your muscles. So along with that, I will switch on my facial steamer, which opens up the pores, which often get clogged with everyday makeup, skincare, pollution, dirt. While that is happening, I will remove my nail paint and prepare another bowl with hot water, some lemon or essential oils, and then soak my hands in there, and it just softens the skin and helps you take away the cuticles and takes away all that dead skin. So once I'm done with the steam, I will put on a face mask and let it sit for 5-10 minutes while I'm doing my nails, and then soon after that I will jump in the shower, starting with a dry brush. Dry brushing helps with blood circulation, and after that I use a wet scrub, which I prepare by mixing coffee, sugar and coconut oil. Just scrub it all over my body using some scrubbing gloves, and then follow with body wash. And I have started using this Homedics, which helps clean your skin silicone body brush, which is again like Clarisonic Foreo that I use for my face, way better than just cleaning them by hands. And after that, moving on to my hair, I use Aveda shampoo and this scalp massager it's the same thing like scrubbing your body, scrubbing your face. This scalp massager, when you use a device like this, it acts better than just your hands and helps take away any buildup from your scalp. And then apply my conditioner, rinse it off. Moving on to my skincare, I would apply an exfoliant. I try and apply exfoliant once or twice a week depending on how my skin is, so you have to just see what works for you. Eye cream and a body oil. I love Body Shop products, and also Paula's Choice is a good one, which is retinol and exfoliant for your body. After applying that, I would comb my hair with a white tooth wooden comb. This one is again from Body Shop. Brush, because your hair is very fragile when they are washed. If you want to comb them, make sure be gentle. After the comb, applying a heat protectant, drying off my hair with my beloved Dyson. And when that's done and I've styled my hair as I like, I have been loving the Lily Silk hair wraps. They just keep your hairstyle in place when you're sleeping at night, and it just keeps your hair looking shiny, frizz-free. So this is it with my body pampering treatments that I do and absolutely swear by. You can incorporate these in your routine, and I'm sure it will improve your skin and hair health, and most importantly, give you a relaxing experience. So hope you found this video helpful, and please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. And until the next video, take care, stay safe. See you then.